Hello everyone! Here's the storybook for today, Hiking Day, by Anne Rockwell, illustrated by Lizzie Rockwell. Look at the cover of the book. You can see there's a little girl with her dad. They are going hiking. Who else is with them? What will they do when going hiking? What animals will they meet in the woods? Let's check on those information. After reading this story, let's see who goes hiking. The little girl with her dad and mom. Where are they going hiking? The place is called Hickory Hill. Hill is the small size of the mountain. What does the little girl bring to hiking? Sturdy sneakers, flappy hat, and water bottles. And how do they go to Hickory Hill? By car. And how much time do they go to Hickory Hill? About 20 minutes. Then, when they get there, which color of the trail do they choose? Green, blue, or red? The red one, because the little girl liked the color red. After they are in the woods, the little girl finds out some animals there. But how does she find them? Let's see. The little girl hears ribbit, ribbit, so she finds a toad. When they are finding the way, they see a porcupine on the tree bark. And how does she find the woodpecker? Because she hears the sound tap, 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 like a hammer. Then she finds a deer because the deer is looking at her. At the end, she finds out it's really different when on the hill, and a very surprising thing. You can check them out to read the story by searching the storybook Hiking Day. Here's a mission for you. You can leave the answers below after reading the story. Question number 1. What is the red trail marker for? Question number 2. Why does Dad say getting ready for winter? That's all for today. If you like this video, please give me a like. And remember to subscribe me for more videos. Feel free to share to others. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.